Sabre discusses its growing role in revolutionizing the travel industry with enhanced content integration.
The way I look at NDC is it's not a product, it's a specification. So what airlines have done is they have created a specification which, if consumed by the GDSs or the agencies alike, this content will help them consume a rich and personalized content. NDC is amazing because it streamlines the way the airline content is displayed and consumed in the travel ecosystem. Earlier, the NDC content was launched for every individual agency to consume it respectively. Example, A airline launches their NDC specification. If I am the travel agent, I have to consume it through a pipe. And then the industry suddenly started realizing that as the number of airlines are growing in NDC world, the agency will have to write to every airline specification separately. That means the agency will have to have a huge IT team which is coding to respective airline NDC specifications separately. But at the same time, they will have to be ready for any version changes, the enhancements, defect resolutions, and then don't forget the pressure that has on their own data servers, because now they are consuming content of different airlines through different pipes. And then the agencies suddenly started thinking, well, look, we are not IT company, we are a travel management company, so why are we worried on technology? We should be worried about serving our customers. That's where the companies like us come into picture. We have, through one pipe, started integrating to all airlines NDC content. This is the right time for all technology providers to be in India. The world is evolving, but I think India is really rapidly growing at 7.1% year-over-year pace, which is absolutely amazing. Sabre is hiring heavily in the market, and we are also focusing immensely on technology transformation, and I think we are extremely excited. Sabre parent is extremely focused on India market, and I think we will get some amazing products for this market, and you will see the difference very soon in terms of efficiency gain and cost reduction.
Introducing Agartala as its 46th destination, Air India Express is set to extend its wings in Tripura. Starting September 1st, the airline will offer daily direct flights to Delhi, Kolkata and Guwahati. Madhya Pradesh welcomes big hospitality brands to the state.
Taj has got the biggest presence in Madhya Pradesh. Taj Safaris, they've got their properties around every national park in Madhya Pradesh, and so is the Taj Group. Now they have got footprints in Bhopal. They're going to have 2 hotels in Indore, one in Ujjain, one in Jabalpur. They're expanding like anything in Madhya Pradesh. One property already is there in Gwalior. Oberois are opening a beautiful heritage property near Khajuraho, between Khajuraho and Panna National Park. It's going to be one of its kind in the whole country.